We are living through peak AI hype. Half the internet thinks AI will solve everything. The other half thinks it will destroy us. The truth, it's usually somewhere in the boring middle. Myth number 1. AI is intelligent like a human. Reality, AI doesn't know anything. Large language models are essentially advanced autocomplete. They predict the next likely word based on patterns, not understanding. It's math, not magic. Myth number 2. AI will take all our jobs. Reality, AI will automate tasks, not necessarily whole jobs. It replaces drudgery data entry, summarizing, scheduling. The real threat isn't AI replacing you. It's a human using AI replacing a human who doesn't. Myth number 3. AI is neutral and objective. Reality, AI is trained on internet data, which is full of human bias. If the training data is biased, the AI will be biased. It can stereotype based on race, gender, or culture unless carefully guardrailed. Myth number 4. AI can't be creative. Reality, this one is tricky. While AI lacks soul or lived experience, it is an incredible remix engine. It can combine concepts in ways humans never thought of. It's a tool for creativity, like a camera or a paintbrush. Myth number 5. If AI says it, it must be true. Reality, AI hallucinates. It will confidently invent facts, court cases, and historical events just to satisfy your prompt. Always verify. The biggest myth of all is that AI is an all-or-nothing event. It's a tool. It's powerful, it's flawed, and it's evolving. Understanding its limits is just as important as knowing its power. Don't fear the robot. Learn to use the machine. If this helped debunk the hype, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.